Happy Monday. Welcome to Chats with Chase. Here's your next tip.
Today I want to address something that can help you get more accurate results from your simulation as well as decrease solve time: mesh controls. Mesh controls allow you to refine your mesh in specific locations without having to increase your element count in areas where you don't expect much of a reaction to the applied forces. This first simulation, named Fine Mesh, just has an overall mesh set to the maximum size of 0.024 inches. It takes about 29 seconds to run and has about 273,000 elements in it. The stresses peak here around the bolt hole, which would be a stress concentration, so that can be expected. This second simulation, Controlled Mesh-Fine, has an overall mesh with a maximum of about 0.28 inches, but it has a mesh control on it that's set to the same size as the entire previous simulation, 0.024 inches. This mesh control is applied to the faces of the bends and around the fixed mounting holes. By making the overall mesh larger and making sure we don't change it too much at the points of interest, we were able to decrease the element count to about 39,000 and reduce the time to about 8 seconds. The results are pretty similar. A reason that they may not be exactly the same involves an issue that arises with refined meshes at stress concentrations, which I'll address in another video later this week.
Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions and I'll see you tomorrow.